that's not going to be 100% accurate, but it might help you save a few users that are actually on their way to churn. So you can kind of like preemptively attack that on that side. But I think that's something pretty custom that you have to dive deeper into your own analytics to extract that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing that might be possible is like telemetry tech, especially, is very event driven because it's a very generic analytics solution, and not about like customer facing stuff. So what you can do is like if you know a lot about what your customers are doing, and then you can kind of segment your customers into, for example, let's say, especially those customers that have churned or that haven't returned to the app for 2 months or so. And then you do a sort of root cause analysis, which is to say, find the commonalities in the last 10, 20, 50, 100 analytics events that these customers have sent. And sometimes a good algorithm can find commonalities there. Maybe sometimes an algorithm will find, well, yeah, all of these have in common that a lot of them have done a certain action, or a lot of them have reported a lot of bugs, or a lot of them have encountered crashes, or a lot of them have started a process and then not finished it, stuff like that. But that will, of course, be individual for your application or product. But yeah, there's ways of finding those outlier data, but they're going to be highly individual. We are internally working on like trying to find ways of like finding these automatically, but we're not 100% there yet. But you, as the product owner or developer or the maker of your app, you have a pretty good feeling about like how people are really inside your app. And if you have the data that you already have using Chatty and telemetry, I think you're gonna be you can pretty quickly start building hypotheses. You can say like, okay, I think that most of the customers are churning because of X.